In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel tank straps on this Dodge Durango. Let's get into it. There's a shield right here. You want to take these push pins out. Just use a trim tool. Just pop the center down and then that comes out. Take these out. You can pry this out of the way. Take these two push pins out. Just use a trim tool. Pop the center down. Pop the pin out. I'm going to use a pole jack and support the fuel tank. Just using a block of wood so we don't damage anything. And I'm not going to put a lot of pressure, just a little bit, just to hold the tank. That's good. Using a 15mm socket, loosen up this bolt. Slide that out. Using a 15mm socket, take this front bolt out. As that comes out, make sure you support the strap and grab the strap. We'll just slide it down. Now slide the strap in place. Line that up. Take the bolt, get that started. And get the front bolt in. Tighten those down, and we're going to torque those to 30 foot-pounds. Now that's supported, we can lower the pole jack. Take the push pins, slide those in place, lock those down. Push the heat shield in place, and then push those push pins in, lock them down. And if you're replacing any of the other straps, the procedure is going to be the same.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.